So let's unboxing latest iPhone 17 Pro, and it's a Singapore variant. So let's unbox it. So this is the color looks awesome. And into the box, the charger, and let's see, phone, cable, and the user manual. So it's the phone. So now let's set up this phone. Hello. And you have to set up your set your language and set your country. Now medium I'm selecting as a default. Press on next. Quick setup. And if you want to transfer data from another device, then you can set up another device, but I don't want to set up right now. Set up without device. Now use customization. Use selected setting, and you need to add your Wi-Fi to complete the processing. And software update, I want to update later. Press on continue. And I am adult. Press on Face ID. I want to set up it later as well. Now enter your barcode. Now if you want to transfer data from another device, then you have to select iPhone or iCloud or Mac or Android. So I don't want to transfer anything. Now you have to enter your Apple account. I'm entering my Apple account. Then if okay, then press on next. Enter your password. Just press on next. It will automatically update. You have to enter your code to check your another phone. I am checking my another phone, so just press on allow and enter the code and press on Apple verification process, and it's automatically sent. Here you can see. Press on agree. Now it will take now enter your barcode. Choose another device. Now select your device, for example this one, and press on continue. Now set up your mobile service, and to set up later, it's a eSIM option actually. And Apple Intelligent, if you want to set up it right now, then you can set up, or you can set up it later. Continue. Not now. This is the action button setup. If you want to set up now, then you can set up. Press on continue. Now welcome. into iPhone. Now get start. Now you can see my phone start now. So that's it. This is how you can easily set up your iPhone 17 Pro. Thank you. Have a good day.